The Salem Spine Center has just been a great addition to the community. We work collaboratively with the Spine Center, but they've been able to do a lot to help us treat patients in a more efficient way.
The Salem Spine Center was started as a collaboration between the community neurosurgeons. There's 5 of us here now. The neurologists, the rehabilitation doctors, the physical therapists, and some of the pain treatment doctors to try to come up with a better way to more efficiently triage patients who have spinal disorders or potentially spinal disorders and figure out what's the best avenue of treatment. It's helped in reducing wait time, getting them treated in a more expeditious fashion.
I've always been attracted to the Salem area. I love the state of Oregon and its natural beauty, but also a big attraction was the Salem Spine Center. The Spine Center offers comprehensive care both before surgery, during the hospital stay, and after surgery. This allows patients to get teaching about their surgery, an introduction to the hospital, and what they would expect after surgery, including any braces they may need or physical therapy. The patients really get to understand the course of their expected hospital stay and therapies they would need.
I am the medical director of the Salem Spine Center. The whole concept of the Salem Spine Center is to try to work collaboratively in a very coordinated fashion with all the spine specialists so that we can give more timely care to patients, more effective care to patients, and be able to develop an outcome mechanism so that we can constantly improve.
I'm one of the neurosurgeons working in Salem community. I am part of the Spine Center along with 4 of my outstanding colleagues. We strive to deliver outstanding care of spinal disorders to our patients and their families. We help patients understand the problem. We counsel them what it means, whether it requires surgery or not. I would say majority of them actually can be managed without the operation. I have worked in a number of different communities all the way from the East Coast to Oregon. I am very confident to say that we have by far the best team of neurosurgeons. All of us are not only fantastic doctors, but we are deeply caring about our patients and the outcomes of what we do.